Today's modern street engines easily see 7,000 RPM. Along with additional electric fans, fuel pumps, and high-output ignition systems, the demands placed on your vehicle's electrical system push your stock alternator to its limits. Holley's premium alternators are specifically designed to tolerate the demanding high RPM engines reach. These alternators utilize cutting-edge 6-phase hairpin stator technology to provide durability at high RPM while providing massive amperage throughout the RPM range. Made in the USA, these alternators have twice as many diodes as conventional GM LS alternators to ensure a long service life. The new 6-phase technology utilized in these alternators means that the alternator makes more output with less drag against the engine. These alternators deliver a solid 150 amps at cruising speed with an impressive 100 amps at low RPM where vehicles need it most. Holley's alternator housings are custom designed with a streamlined appearance to provide a modern, smooth look. These compact alternators bolt onto all Holley accessory brackets as well as 4th generation F-bodies and 1998 through 2004 GM trucks. Holley premium alternators are available in natural, black, and polished finishes for a custom look that will dress up your engine compartment. Black and polished pulley covers are also available for any show car application. Thanks for watching. To find out more about Holley products, visit our website at holley.com.